It's time to cover these seats because you can tell already, they're already starting to get ready to crack. Alright guys, welcome to another video. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to see if seat covers are worth it. I'm going to install some custom interior seats on the C6. I've always seen different brands on my friends' vehicles and sometimes I don't like it. But this company, I have seen it on one of my friends' C6 and they actually look really good. So the question is, are seat covers worth it? If you guys have a C6 or C5, you already know as well as I know that the seats themselves will start to crack and it's just, they look bad. I guess one thing Chevy didn't really put big effort in was their Corvette seats. Because I mean, just look all over the forums, look all over the internet. The OEM seats, they just don't last. So I guess a good way to protect them is with seat covers, and that's where these guys come in. This brand is called Kustom Interior, and they make really good fitment seat covers for pretty much Corvettes. So let me show you which color I went with. So I went with like the OEM style with just the red stitching. So they do have like honeycomb and like some other crazy designs, but I wanted to keep it OEM as possible. So I just went with a little bit of red. You guys hear something, it's part of the sprinklers from the other apartments. So this is how the OEM ones look. And this is how the custom interior ones look. Looks like there's like no red on the bottom. It's fine, it's because I guess there's no stitching here. So I guess I only got the actual stitching itself red. One thing I'm hoping once I have it installed and with like the sun hitting it, you can probably see it on camera, is these little parts right here. I'm hoping with me sitting on it and like the sun always hitting it, it's just gonna form into an actual seat. So I guess there's two ways to install the bottom piece. There has been people doing it without removing the seat, and there's people saying they can't fit their hand underneath to pull the certain straps to connect the bottom seat. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the seat. I noticed they gave you these kind of like tools, like I'm hoping these are the ones you use to pull the string. So what I'm talking about is this piece right here. They don't have room underneath the seat to like pull this to connect it to the bottom of the seat. Let's try the first one. And if we need to remove the seat, not a problem. It's only 4 nuts. But let's see if that's what these tools are for. I guess one thing before you start, maybe get a rag and just clean it as much as you can, because there is gonna be some kind of like a little bit of debris and stuff in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a rag and just clean the seat since I'm gonna cover it from now on. Just a little wipe. Yeah, when I had my other C6 and C5, especially the C5 since it was so old, every time you kept sitting on the car, like all this stuff would just come off. And it would be all over your pants and your shorts and your shirt as well. So I'm kind of glad I'm getting seat covers because I don't want that to happen, because I can already see it kind of like already ready to happen. If I can stop it or prevent it from getting on my pants, I will. So it looks like I might have to remove the seat. Maybe not just take it off, but yeah, to try to get this piece go underneath the whole seat and clamp it on the back, it's kind of tough. This is why I went with this specific seat, because look, you can't even tell it's a seat cover. It almost looks OEM. Okay, so I'm guessing that's what these tools are for, so we can pop this thing out. Unbolt the seats. Yeah, so that one popped out. Oh, well, I already broke it. Okay, so I guess it just slides out. There we go. I was gonna have to break it. Alright, so let's get a 15 and take all these off. And now let's do the backs. Crazy how you can't even tell that that's a seat cover. Alright, so that was a lot easier because you guys can see the strap. This strap right here, pretty much gotta pull that strap all the way to the bottom and then you'll pretty much strap it right there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a top piece on before I drill the seats back on. Maybe it might be a little bit easier, but so far so good. I mean, there's a little bit of air here, but I'm sure once the heat and once someone starts sitting in here, it's gonna flatten down. But you can't tell these are like seat covers. All right, we're done with the passenger side. Honestly, you can't even tell that these are seat covers. Like, there's like barely any air in here. Solid. Now that I sat in it, it's just the air just went out. This is solid. So here's the custom interior seat covers with the red stitching, and then here's the OEM ones. which you can already tell why I want to put seat covers, because it's already starting to get that wear, and eventually it's gonna tear, and I don't want to deal with that. So for now, this is a great option. Now that this side's done, let's go ahead and do the driver's side, and then yeah, right away before I start putting the bottom, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start unbolting these. Hear me breathing a lot because it's like 90 something degrees out here. Go ahead and use the tools they gave you to pop out these plastic parts. My interior is kind of dirty, so I'll make sure I do a deep clean in the interior. There's one, because I don't like seeing my car super dirty. But pretty much these are the little plastic things you gotta take off. Custom interior gives you the tools needed to pop those off. Again, don't pull up. Learn from my mistake, just pull forward and they should just slide off. Pull forward, bam, good to go. Well, this is pretty good material. Now that I'm out in the sun, you guys can kind of see the material. Like, it's not cheap. I like it. I just wish they could have added like a little bit of red on the bottom of the seat, because now I'm only going to have red stitching on the top. But other than that, I am pretty happy. Really quick, when you're installing your seat covers, on one side of the seat covers there's like this zipper, so that's like that zipper. I would probably put that on the inside of the seats, that way when you open the doors, or whoever you have driving passenger, or whoever you have coming passenger, doesn't see like a zipper. Alright guys, and just like that, we're done. Because I'm guessing this came from the box, like when it got shipped. But other than that, you wouldn't even tell these are seat covers. If it wasn't for this little piece, which I know is going to go away, you wouldn't even tell these are seat covers. It's like a little bit of air pocket here, but like I said, once I sit in it and once the sun hits it, I think these are just going to fit perfectly fine. If you guys are ever interested in getting some custom interior, hit up Custom Interior. I think for the C6 they make seat covers and armrest covers, which I think I'm getting that next. And then I believe for like the C7s, they make steering wheels, carbon fiber steering wheels, and the C8s too. They make carbon fiber steering wheels. Would have been dope if they made some for the C6. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. It was that simple. Might have taken me maybe an hour, mainly because I was just trying to, like, the bottom fit so good, it was super easy. It was just trying to push this down, like, to make it fit perfectly. Here's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Alright guys, like I mentioned in the title, are seat covers worth it? In my eyes, I think they are, especially if you own a C5 or a C6. My Grand Sport has only 40,000 miles, and you already saw how much wear was already happening, like on the edges. But maybe like another 20,000 miles of me just sitting and coming in and out of the seat. It was just a matter of time before it starts tearing. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these exact same seat covers for the C6. If you have a C5 and newer Corvette, they have seat covers for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm really interested to know if you guys are into seat covers, or might as well just take these off and put bucket seats. Here's a view of the seat covers. But that's pretty much it, guys. It was just a quick video of me installing these seat covers, because I was really curious to know if seat covers are worth it. And in my eyes, yeah, I believe custom interior seat covers are definitely worth it, especially if you have a C5 or a C6. It's a matter of time before the OEM seat starts to wear and tear. I've had a couple in the past, and it's always happened. My C6 only has 40,000 miles, and you already saw the seat. It already started to look like it was wearing. I just don't want to see it every time I come in the car. So Custom Interior made some pretty good product. Like I said, it only took me about an hour to do. I'll give you guys an update in a couple weeks once my car is all dialed in. We'll see how the seats dial in with the sun, because I have a gut feeling of me sitting in it, and with the sun, the seat covers, they're just gonna flow naturally into the OEM seat, which is like an A+. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go ahead and check out Custom Interior for pretty much all your seat covers, your armrest covers, and I believe for some Corvettes they make carbon fiber steering wheels. But for now, that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.